So you're using social media to try to generate leads for your business, but nothing's going anywhere. Well, stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to tell you how within 2 weeks of using LinkedIn for lead generation, I was able to get a client in escrow that's going to bring over $13,000 in commission to me and my real estate business. Stay tuned. I'll get right into it after this. If it's your first time in the channel, welcome. Do me a favor, guys, hit that subscribe button if you want to know how top producing agents like myself are getting their business, because I'm going to keep bringing you videos just like this with information on exactly what I did to get deals into escrow. Okay, my name is Will, guys. I'm a Southern California real estate agent who hasn't been doing this for a long time, but guess what? What I love about real estate is that you can accomplish a lot in a little bit of time. So if that's you, if you're looking to be successful as a real estate agent or just learn some new stuff, you know, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications, because I'm constantly dropping videos just like this in order to help you succeed. Guys, when I first started real estate, I relied on YouTube a lot to learn what other successful agents are doing, mostly also agents in my market, because I'm in Southern California. If you're in some of these other smaller markets, you guys are extremely lucky. You just don't know it, but it is very hard to get deals in Southern California. The main reason being because the commissions are so high. There's big companies that are after our commission. So a lot of times when we're getting leads, we have to purchase those leads. So it's just a lot harder. So again, be very thankful if you're in other markets. Be very thankful, because it is a lot easier. A lot of the things we do in our market, you know, may not work, but a lot of the agents I coach are in other markets, and I'm able to give them some of the things that work just a little bit here, and it works massively in their business. One of my partners, I've been able to 3x her business just from teaching her some of the things, the tactics, the strategies that I use here. But today, I want to talk to you about how in 2 weeks I was able to get a client from LinkedIn. Let's talk about how I got to LinkedIn, because I've been using Instagram, had great success, Instagram, Facebook, but I just noticed that all agents are on those platforms, okay? And in order to be successful, what you have to do is you have to get into smaller rooms. What I mean by that is, where are the agents not, right? So they're not on YouTube, where I'm at right now, right? And they're not on LinkedIn, which was crazy to me. And again, I wasn't really there, but what was crazy to me, because LinkedIn, the people have jobs and they tell you their jobs, and they give you all the information about them, okay? So what I did was I kind of went away from Instagram and Facebook for a little while, and I decided to focus on LinkedIn. LinkedIn has a system for $100 additional. It's called Sales Navigator. Okay, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And with Sales Navigator, you're able to go in and build out certain profiles of people, maybe people that you have something in common with, right? So I went to Clark Atlanta University. And so what I did was I went into Sales Navigator and I built out a list of people that went to Clark Atlanta University in my market. Well, it turns out it was 700 people that had been to Clark Atlanta. So 700 alumni that I could reach out to. So I was able to pull out that list. And then what I did was I sent all of those people invites to connect, right? The ones that connected with me, I sent them a simple message. And the message was, I think it went something like this: I see that you went to Clark Atlanta. You know, I graduated in 05 undergrad, then 07 MBA. I worked in corporate America for 12 years and then started a successful real estate career. I'm looking to help all my fellow Panthers. That was our mascot at Clark Atlanta. I'm looking to help all my fellow Panthers with home ownership. Any real estate plans over the next 12 months? And I sent that out to a ton of people, and guess what? One person replied, and her reply was, oh my gosh, the algorithm must be working, because I just got pre-approved and I'm looking. Can you help me? 2 weeks later, I was able to get that person into escrow, and I'm constantly reaching out to more people. So if you're looking to grow your real estate business, you got to think about where people aren't, because agents are saturating a lot of these different social media platforms, and they're missing out on some of them. So figure out where you can get into a smaller room, dominate that room, and let's grow your business. Thank you guys for tuning in. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Also, reach out. I get calls, texts, and emails from agents just like yourself looking to grow their real estate business, and I'm always happy to help. Take care. Till next video.